Ever wondered why calculating goods and services tax, or GST as it's commonly known, seems like a task that requires a degree in advanced mathematics? But what if we told you it's really not that complex? To unravel this mystery, it's crucial to understand that GST calculation generally involves three primary steps. First up, identifying the GST rate. Now, this is a crucial step as GST rates can vary for different categories of goods and services. A quick online search or a peek into the government's tax guidelines should provide this information. Next, it's time to calculate the GST amount. This is where some basic math comes into play. The net price of the goods or services, excluding GST, is multiplied by the GST rate, but here's the catch. The GST rate needs to be expressed as a decimal. So if the GST rate is, say, 15%, it becomes 0.15 in decimal terms. This calculation will give the GST amount. The formula for this step is GST amount equals net price times GST rate divided by 100. Now the final step in this GST calculation journey is to determine the total cost. This is done by adding the GST amount to the net price. The resulting figure is the total cost including GST. So, to put it in a nutshell, the total cost equals the net price plus the GST amount. Let's put this all into context with an example. Assume the net price of a product is $100 and the GST rate is 10%. Calculating the GST amount gives us $100 times 10 divided by 100, which equals $10. Add this GST amount to the net price. $100 plus $10 equals $110. And there you have it. The total cost including GST would be $110. To summarize, calculating GST isn't rocket science. It's a three-step process. Determine the GST rate, calculate the GST amount, and then compute the total cost. With this understanding, GST calculation doesn't have to be a daunting task anymore. So, the next time you're faced with this challenge, remember these simple steps and you'll breeze through it.